Right, what I'd like to do now is show you how to make the pig. So the pig on the farm is usually coloured pink, and I've got some sugar paste. So this is a size guide, and when you measure using the size guide, you should have 1/3 below and 2/3 above, and then that's measured correctly. If it's just sitting on the top without anything or hardly anything below, then that's too big, and if it can drop through, then it's also not right. So it's got to have 1/3 at the bottom, 2/3 on the top. So I want a body of 14. So it's just a matter of keep testing. Yep, that's fine. Body. Roll it into a ball. So roll it into a ball. And then we want into a sausage shape. So the length of that needs to be 40 centimetres. And we can measure it using the ruler. That's fine. So when we're doing modelling, we don't want any cracks on it. We want it nice and smooth. For the legs, size 6, which is quite small. So the number of 6, and we need 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to put those. So if this is a crack there, I don't know whether you can see that, so I'm going to work that paste a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep placing my body on top. Then what I want to do is the head. So the head should measure 12. You can see that's too small. Using a size guide, it gives each one of them the same size and in proportion. So head 12, nice and smooth. And you just want to place that on top. Not so it's balanced, so it's nice and firm. So next week, when you get it out the cupboard, once it's dry, it's not falling off. The ears 6. One, 2. And with the ears, if you roll it so there a little bit of a point, and just flatten them in between some plastic. I will give you a nice shape. It's quite big actually. I think I'm going to make them a little bit smaller. Quite nice if you curl the ear over a little bit. The snout, just a ball of paste, flattened. And I'm going to use a small bore tool, and I'm going to make indentations for the nostrils. I'm also going to make indentations for the eyes. And the only other thing I need is a tail. So a small piece of paste rolled into a very fine sausage. pinch off the length you want, attaches, and just curl it round. To give it a curly tail. What I now need to do is the eyes. So I need 2 tiny balls of paste, equal size, 1, 2, and I'm just going to place that in the eye socket. If any of this paste isn't sticking together, just use a little bit of water. And then I've got some black paste. And it's always nice if the pig's looking at something. So I intend to make him so he's looking at the farmer. So the farmer will be up here. So I want him to look up. With any eyes on any animals or people, have them looking up to the side or down, never straight ahead. So you can see. Okay, so that's my pig.